I am Paul from Travels with PMB. I am staying in an interior room aboard Holland America Zaandam for a 7-night cruise. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, to the left of the door, coming into the room will be your first closet. Above you will find your life vest. Here will be your hangers, storage, and space below to put whatever it is that you desire. Moving over will be your next set of closets. On this side, you will find your life vest above. On this shelf, you will find hangers. I put my bag here. Additional shelving below. And this side, you will find above your Holland America blankets. Your complimentary robes are here on this shelf. Your beach towels on this shelf. Your safe and additional space below for storage and also your hangers. As we come over here, now right away, this is a privacy curtain, and I guess if you have different people in the room, you can make use of it in a way. And here is your next closet. Your last closet. Here you will find more life vests above, hangers here, and storage below. And these shelves can come down if you do not need this big space. I put my luggage here, but these shelves can come down if you desire, if you need shelving space in the closet. Now to the right of the door coming into the room, here you'll find light switches, and you'll see this door. This door opens up into the bathroom. Please watch your step. It's a big step up into the bathroom. And here you'll find your mirror here, a bigger mirror in front, and your counter space. Over here will be your soap and lotion. They use Elemis. A glass, another glass in that corner. Beneath you will find tissue and storage beneath here. You find your wastebasket in that corner, your paper toilet tissue, and above you will find these racks for your washcloth. Here are your hand towels and your body towel, and here is your toilet. Now this shower has a curtain. I know a lot of people do not like curtains. They do not care for it. They rather it be a door, but this has a curtain. And once again, in the shower will be Elemis products for your shampoo, your conditioner, and your bath and shower gel. And it seems like a decent sized shower to me. Now, heading out of the bathroom, once again, watch your step. As we turn this corner, we will see our sofa. But before we get to that, over here will be your thermostat. Here is a light, additional switches, a lot of switches in the room. It makes it very convenient to turn on or off the light in different areas. Here's a table, and on this couch, this sofa, you'll find 2 throw pillows. Nice size sofa. I like an interior room that has a sofa, so it allows me to not have to sit on the bed or even at the desk, something comfortable. Now here is the bed. On each side of the bed is storage, and on the left side of the bed you will find your telephone and a little writing pad. Above the bed is this light, and once again more light switches behind the pillows, and it's on the left side as well as the right side of the bed. And behind the bed is this curtain. Now this curtain really doesn't serve any function but decoration. So it is an interior room. There's nothing behind there but a wall. Now let's go further into the room. Here we have some hooks for you to use. Now this is the desk area. Above the desk is this light, this big mirror. Over here you'll find your television, and this is the desk with your outlets. Here is your ice bucket, and beneath you will find additional storage. Here is your chair and your waste basket as well. In this top drawer you will find your makeup mirror and your hair dryer. I'm going to do a once over of the room and let you know what I think about the room. So what do you think about the room? I do like the size of the room. I love the fact that it does have a sofa. It has plenty of storage space for me. The one thing that it is lacking, can you notice that something was missing? There is no fridge here. And I called guest services and they said if you do want a fridge, you will have to pay a daily cost. And so I am missing a fridge. I'm so used to having a mini fridge, a cooler, whatever it is that they may have in my room. So that's the one difference that I wish they did have that. Can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel and it will help me to produce further content just like this. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.
Paul B from NYC, suitcase in hand. Your travel agent with the ultimate plan. Travel with me, PMB will make each moment last. Happy travels on the horizon, let go of the past.